What if I told you guys that you can make money while you sleep with next to no effort? Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be going through 7 types of passive income. So first off, there are 2 different types of income. One, which is probably what most of you have, is active income. Here you get paid for the amount of work you do and to show up for work every day. And if you don't work, you don't get paid. It's as simple as that. This is what most of us have in our original 9-to-5 jobs. Then, on the other side, there's passive income, which is my personal favorite. Passive income is a type of income where you don't have to work for your money anymore. You put in the work once, and then it keeps on generating you money. The only thing you'll maybe have to do is to promote what you have made, or even better, what someone else have made. Here you'll earn money while you sleep, and as soon as the work is done, you'll have a passive income for a long time. Most wealthy people have multiple streams of income and are not only dependent on their 9-to-5 job. Passive income is a nice extra bonus to your job and could potentially overtake your regular job as your main income if you do it right. There's a lot of different paths to gain some passive income, and some take more work than others, but I'll be going through some of my favorites. First off, we have dividend stocks. Here you can benefit from the money that you gain working in your 9-to-5 job and turn them into a passive income just by investing in the stock market. Finding some stocks that pays you a dividend can secure you a nice passive income for many years. It might be hard to find the right stocks to invest in, but if you want the best odds to buy some healthy stocks that pays you a dividend, you could have a look into dividend aristocrats. These are some companies that have continuously raised their dividend every year for the past 25 years or even more. Some of them have been doing this for more than 50 years right now. At the moment, there are 66 different companies on the aristocrats list, so you should be able to find one that fits the sector you want to invest in. Dividend investing is a great way of generating passive income with limited to no work. The second method of generating passive income is through YouTube. This one requires more work than dividend stocks, but could potentially also give you a great return. The nice thing about YouTube is that it requires next to no starting capital. You probably all have a phone and a laptop, which is enough to get started making videos. You have to find your niche though, something that you're interested in and don't mind putting a long time into, and then just press record and start talking. YouTube doesn't generate your income from day one though. You'll need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can get monetized and start earning money. But if you're consistent, you should be able to achieve this, and it could potentially be an extra income for the rest of your life. Because as soon as the videos are out there, you'll be able to earn money from it as long as people are clicking on them. Another way of making money through YouTube is by sponsorships. Companies that sell products related to your content will sometimes reach out for you, so you won't necessarily need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to make money on YouTube. Next up, we have a blog. If you're not into making videos but like to write instead, a blog could potentially make you some nice money. Here you're able to earn money kinda the same way as on YouTube through different kind of monetizing and sponsorships. This is also something you have to be patient about though. You probably won't make money the first couple of months after making a blog, but in the long run, it could have a nice potential. If you don't mind putting some money into it just to get started, another option could be to buy an already existing blog. Just make sure that people actually visit the blog that you're buying, and even more importantly, I would say, one that is focusing on the same topic as you are going to focus on. Otherwise, all of the readers that the blog have right now will just disappear. Now my fourth method corresponds pretty well to my second and third point, and it is affiliate marketing. This is a way of generating money pretty much with only having to share a link or maybe advertise a product. If you're a YouTuber, you can share what camera you use through Amazon affiliate link, and then when people go and buy the camera from the link that you posted, you'll get a small percentage of what they paid for it. This can be done a lot of places with a lot of different things, but having a wide network will give you an advantage and make it easier for you to make some good money from it. So if you have an Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, or whatever social media you have some followers on, affiliate marketing could potentially be a nice extra income for you. Then we have real estate. This one could potentially cost a lot of money, but you will also be able to enter it with next to nothing. But buying a house and renting it out can give you a really nice passive income. This one though might require some work once in a while, but can also be a passive income that you have for the rest of your life. The hard thing here is to find the right properties for the right price. And if you aren't the biggest DIY type of person, it can cost you some money to get started. But as soon as your property is ready to rent out, this will generate you some nice cash. If you want to enter real estate but you only have limited money, you can enter real estate through REITs. REIT is short for Real Estate Investment Trust, and it is companies that own assets related to real estate and are obligated to pay at least 90% of their profits. They're sold the same way as stocks and gives you the opportunity to enter real estate with almost no starting capital. And this could potentially be where you grow your money before you buy your own property. Another way, if you want to be able to follow what your invested money go towards a little bit more, you could have a look into crowdfunded real estate. Here you can buy a small percentage of a new real estate project and will get parts of their profits. My sixth point is lending out, and this might sound a little wide, and yes, it actually is. If you live in a big house with 1 or 2 rooms that you don't really use, besides to store all of your things that you don't really use either, clearing these rooms out and renting them out could be a great way of generating some extra money. It could potentially pay a nice part of your housing expenses. If you don't have any rooms in spare though, but you are gone for a weekend or just a week sometimes, then you could rent it out on Airbnb in order to earn some extra cash. If you don't have an extra room and are always at home, there's also other things to lend out. If you only use your car during the weekdays, you could lend it out in the weekends. It's all about having a lot of income streams. So find something that you don't use all the time, but that could add value to someone else and lend it out. My seventh point might take some extra work, but could potentially also earn you a nice amount of money, and it's writing a book. You can write a book and then publish it to Amazon Kindle or somewhere else online, and then every time someone buys your book, you'll earn money. If you're passionate about writing, this could be a nice way of generating a passive income. And if you have already written your book, you could also make it into an audiobook just to get a bigger audience. There's a ton of other ways to make a passive income. These were just some of them, and in common for all of them is that you can start out right now. Find out what works for you and how you want to gain a passive income. I hope you guys found this useful and will be able to generate a passive income. Just remember, it's always a good thing to have multiple incomes that aren't dependable on each other. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content.